In this video you will get 5 best hair scrunchies for you. If you want more information about these products, just follow description box link and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Trying to keep up with the latest fashion craze can be difficult, but you can never go wrong with a scrunchie. Scrunchies have miraculously made their way through the ever-changing trends and gone from vintage to modern. Scrunchies are fabric-covered hair elastics that are actually less damaging on your hair than traditional hair elastics. That's why we recommend the top brand Velvet Scrunchie. This scrunchie is made from soft synthetic velvet, which gives you a strong hold without causing unwanted friction against your locks. Let's have a quick look on the top 5 best hair scrunchies. Number 5. Pretty Shop Scrunchie Bun. The Pretty Shop bun puts a unique spin on the scrunchie. Instead of the hair tie being sewn into a fabric encasing, these scrunchies are made from a blend of synthetic hair fibers. These scrunchies are perfect for fluffing up your buns and giving you extra volume in your updos. The hair fibers used to create these scrunchies can resist heat up to 120 degrees Celsius. They replicate the appearance of real hair and are a great way to subtly add volume to your look. Turn a limp and lifeless bun into a full and expressive updo. These scrunchies have 30 grams of synthetic hair each and are popular amongst bridesmaids as they offer a simple way to create an elegant and romantic hairstyle. Number 4. Vega Cute Silk Scrunchies. If you have dry, damaged, or weak hair, then the Vega Cute Silk Scrunchies may be precisely what you need. These scrunchies are made from a blend of silk and satin, which makes them excellent for your hair as the slippery fabrics reduce tension on your hair. This is great for minimizing split ends and offering a gentle solution to tying up your locks. Designed for all hair types, these snag-free scrunchies are durable while offering a good amount of stretch. You don't have to loop your hair excessive amounts for the scrunchies to feel secure. However, some people note that they can actually be a little too tight if you have incredibly thick hair. Number 3. Fantasy 10-piece Hair Scrunchie. This bundle is an excellent addition to any hair kit. These fashionable scrunchies feature beautiful designs and are great for adding a little something extra to your look to spice it up. They can be dressed up or dressed down for any occasion. Each scrunchie also has a pearl uniquely woven into the design for added style. However, some customers note that the pearl can snag and come off quite easily. The style of these scrunchies features a bow tie or bunny ear look, which can be worn dressy or casual. Made from chiffon fabrics, these scrunchies can be used in several different hairstyles. Whether you're looking to tie your hair up in a bun or tie it in a braid or ponytail, the Fantasy scrunchies can be manipulated to fit any style. Number 2. Eaone Hair Scrunchies. If you're looking for a scrunchie bundle that provides an abundance of variety to match all of your outfits, then the Eaone 21 pack of hair scrunchies may be precisely what you need. This pack comes equipped with 21 satin scrunchies in a variety of colors. You can use these scrunchies to dress your hairstyle up for a big night out or slip them on for a casual, everyday look. These premium scrunchies are made from high-quality satin, which is excellent for your hair. Satin is soft and slippery against your hair, so it does not cause denting or breakage. You can let your hair loose after being up all day without having to deal with any dents or frizz caused by your hair tie. This multicolored bundle of scrunchies comes with a handy carry bag for easy storage. Some customers note that the satin scrunchies can sometimes carry a lot of static, however. Number 1. Velvet Feel Scrunchie. The top brand Velvet Feel Scrunchie comes in a pack of 2 medium-sized hair ties. These hair ties are made from 100% polyester that feels like soft velvet. Tie your hair up in multiple styles with these comfortable scrunchies. Available in a dark black color, these scrunchies feature a durable hair elastic. Customers have mentioned that although the sewing on the polyester covering could be better, the hair tie, itself, is actually quite strong. It works well with thick and coarse hair as well as with hair that is more fine. You don't have to about the faux velvet fabric shedding, as customers have mentioned that although other scrunchies tend to do this, the top brand Velvet Feel scrunchies remain intact. If you're someone who tends to lose hair ties often, you can rest easy knowing that this pack comes with a backup scrunchie. Check description box link to know more about these books. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe our channel. If you have any question about these top 5, you can leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.